Hello, this is my project 3 career, and the test that you make us take. Mine came up as a nurse, and I do want to be a nurse when I when I finish high school. Yeah. So to be a nurse, you gotta take prerequisite like anatomy, chemistry, biology, and math, college algebra. So right now I'm taking Comp 1. No, I'm taking Comp 2 and student success and and development human development. And last semester I took Comp 1 in psychology. Those are the class that I need. Those are some of the classes that I need for me to be able to graduate with my AA, then go to nursing school. I plan to move to University of Miami or FAU. I like both of those schools because they have a high NCLEX pass rating, which is a really good thing. That means that after you graduate the university, you have a high chance for you to pass the nursing test that you have to take after you graduate. For you to become a nurse, you gotta be patient. You gotta have a lot of patience, and you gotta have empathy for others, because you gotta know how they feeling. If that was you, would you like that? And be nice to all your patients. Yeah. A labor and delivery nurse typically work at a hospital or sent they can work at any hospital or clinical, like a physician assistant clinic. You can work there. They do testing, blood tests. They make sure if the baby is good, even in the stomach, or after they born. They care, not only they care for the baby, they care for the woman also. So yeah, you get to meet the little baby that just born. And I love kids. That's why I want to go to labor and delivery nurse. Labor and delivery nurse do make a lot of money. The salary is to 66,600 to 82,800, which is very good. But I think you shouldn't go to nursing just because of the money. You should go because you love what you do. I don't think nobody should go to a field that you don't just because of the money. I feel like you should go to do something that you like for living. That every time you go to work, it feels like it's home, like you like what you do. Also, when you go to nursing school, you do learn everything. Then you choose the field that you want to go to. So you learn everything. You learn the body parts, all that. And then after, you choose which one you want to go to. You even work with doctors. And then one thing about nursing school, you go to the hospital for 12 hours, that's called a clinical class. So it's like 12 hours, and no, you don't get paid for that to go to clinical. The step right now that I'm taking is I do take dual enrollment while I'm in high school. In the Key West High School, we do have a nursing program, which you get your pharmacy tech program, and you get in the CNA, which is nursing assistant. And when you graduate, you get to take the test for free. So yeah, so right now I'm in that class, and I feel like nursing assistant is a great way to start your career as a nurse, and pharmacy tech also, because you get to learn about all the medicines. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.